today's lesson, we're going to learn all the notes of the G string and the G major scale. Welcome back. Welcome to the studio. My name is Cassie and I'm a professional violist and teaching artist. I hope these videos will serve as a guide for the beginning violist or even those of you who are a little bit more advanced. So today we're going to talk about the notes on the G string. We already know the A string and the D string and we'll review those in a second. But on the G string, if I put my first finger down, that's the note A. Remember that in the musical alphabet, once we get to G, we just cycle back to A again. So first finger is A, high second finger is B, and then touching third finger is C. So let's just review those quickly. So open G string, playing position, check your bow hold, nice loose fingers, and then make sure that your wrist is straight. And let's bow open G. Set your first finger on the fingertip for A. High 2 B, touching 3 is C. Great, let's try all those again. Open 1, high 2, 3. If you recall, in our last lesson we learned low 2, and on the G string that would be B flat. Flat just means to make something lower. So we had sharps before, like F sharp and C sharp, but now we're going to learn flat. So that just means I'm taking my B natural and making it lower to B flat. So let's try that tetrachord. Open 1, low 2, B flat, 3. Open G. First finger A. Make sure 1 and 2 touch now for B flat. And then reach a little bit for C. Great, let's do that tetrachord again. Open 1, low 2, 3. So now that we know 2 of the tetrachords on the open G string, we're going to learn the G major scale. This is the same finger pattern we had as the D major scale, so open 1, high 2, 3, open 1, high 2, 3. But we're just going to start on open G. So it's open G, first finger A, high 2, B natural, touching 3, C. And then we're going to go over to the D string, open D, first finger E, F sharp, G. So let's try that. Let's go to playing position. Set your bow on the G string. Make sure your bow elbow is high enough. And we're starting with open G. Make sure your elbow is swung under for the fingertips to go down. G. A. High 2. Touching 3. Drop your bow elbow to the D string and make sure your other elbow swings to be under the D string. 1. High 2. Touching 3. So that's our G major scale. We're going to try that scale all again, but we're going to go from the top to the bottom. So we're starting with 3 fingers on the D string and going down to open G. 3 fingers set on the fingertips. Set your bow. And let's do it. 3 fingers G. F sharp. E. Open D. Elbow up. Third finger plopped. C. High 2. 1 A. Open G. Great, let's try that scale. We're going to go from the bottom to the top, no stops this time. So open G all the way up to third finger G. Bow set, elbow swung under so the fingertips can go down. Ready, go. Great, so now we know the G major scale and the D major scale, and it's the same exact finger pattern, so open 1, high 2, 3. on both of the strings. I hope you're enjoying your lessons. Thank you so much for joining me today. In our next lesson, we're going to learn how to play can-can on the G string. See you next time.